This is the grid restore execution guidance agent. During severe weather events, utilities don't struggle with knowing outages exist. They struggle with deciding what to restore first. Multiple outages happen simultaneously, crews are limited, and every delay increases customer impact and reliability risk. This agent shows how the grid restore execution guidance agent helps operation teams make faster decisions that prevent SAIDI and SAIFI escalation while restoration is still underway. SAIDI stands for System Average Interruption Duration Index, which measures the average outage duration experienced by customers. SAIFI stands for System Average Interruption Frequency Index, which measures how often customer experience power interruptions. Let us go through the agent. Here, the agent immediately identifies outages where customer impact is increasing fastest due to long duration, low restoration progress, and repeated interpretations. The system dynamically prioritizes restoration efforts, recommends crew reassignments, and highlights where restoration progress is not converging fast enough. Instead of relying on static outage order, the utility can now focus resources where operational delay is most expensive in real time. In this scenario, out 105, out 101, and out 103 are flagged as the highest compounding risk because each additional hour significantly increases customer minutes lost. Here, the agent now shifts from prioritization into execution risk escalation. It detects outages where restoration timelines are overrunning expected thresholds and where repeat interpretation increases the likelihood. Out 105 is immediately escalated as a critical export due to high customer count, low restoration progress, and crew distance misalignment. The agent recommends corrective actions such as redeploying nearby crews and escalating operational coordination before reliability metrics deteriorate further. The value comes from identifying operational execution gaps early while corrective action is still possible by intervening at live decision points instead of after outcomes are resolved.